Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows Defender. There may be threats on your device. Loop. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot tab, check Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK. Open File Explorer, this PC, C drive, program data. Microsoft, Windows Defender, Scans folder, History folder. Service folder, delete detection history. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot tab, uncheck Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.